Hey Liam, are you sharing grapes with your dad? Good job, pal.
Thank you.
Oh, how were those grapes? Let's move Maddie the monkey so I can see you. Wow, bud. Hey Liam, what does a monkey say? Woo, 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 woo. Good job. Where's Maddie the monkey? There he is. Woo, 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 woo. Good job. Liam, Liam. Hey Liam, what does a monkey say? Woo, woo, woo. Good job. Yeah, that's what a monkey says. Woo, woo. Oh, you giving some grapes to your dad? That's nice. You guys share grapes. Real nice. You guys share your grapes. Really nice. Look at the two of the boys. Eating grapes, watching hockey. Lovely. This is the rest of my life.
If you're lucky.
You gonna give a grape to your dad? Can you get a grape? Good job. Very cute. Whoo, whoo, where's your monkey? Whoo, 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 whoo. There's Maddie the monkey. Liam, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You blowing a kiss? Bye-bye. Good job.